Hi, I'm Rhys Sinnott. I'm Cabinet Member for Resident Services for Pembrokeshire County Council. You may have noticed a number of poles going up across the county over the last few weeks, and they're ready for the changeover from 30 mile an hour to 20 mile an hour default speed limit that will be brought in on the 17th of September. These signs will be the ones that will be going up over the next week or two for that introduction on the 17th of September. The aim of the legislation is to make our community safer and slow down traffic in built-up areas. It will also allow children the opportunity to walk and cycle to school more than they already are doing. If there are road traffic collisions, it will reduce the severity of those. And finally, there's an opportunity for people of all ages to walk or cycle around the communities in which they live in, as they feel more confident in being able to do so. If you're a motorist, please be vigilant and look out for these new signs as the new speed limit is introduced on the 17th of September. Thank you.